Tuesday, the 12th of December, and these are the charts of the day. A really strong rally. Again, a nice follow through day in Wall Street. Lots of stocks were running. Take a look at a few of them. Also had a big reversal day. After dipping down to 471, it ran to over 6 and closed 601 up 81 cents. That's 15.5%. Now looking for a retest of 7.25, 8 3/4, and then we'll see. Blbd with a big explosive move after coming out of a falling wedge. It's been moving steadily. And only one day in the last 2 weeks did it come down. Today, gapped up 23.17 to 26.92 and finished 24.35 up 254, almost 12%, 3.3 million. That's the biggest volume in a long time in the stocks. As a matter of fact, it looks like record volume. And now we're coming up to double top key resistance up around the 29 range. Through that, you might see low to mid 30s. BYND with a good day. Popped out of a coil yesterday, followed through, and it's now trending toward the 11.5, 13, and 14.5 range as next targets. Volume was solid, almost 10 million today. CAVA popped out of a base at Spears with a strong bar, 32 to 39, 639, 20%, 11 million, excuse me, 21 million shares, and closing at the high for the day, going away, likely to follow through. Target at 41, 42 zone, and then 47. Cccc with a big explosive move. Lower 118, high 270, finished 243, up 124, still trading after hours, up 105%. Volume was a hefty 196 million shares, and although it closed off the high, still a very strong close. Wouldn't be a shocker to see this stock now make a move towards 3 3/4, and then maybe 3 3/4. CHSN with an explosive move out of a base. This recent IPO back in March, broken out a week ago, and it continues. Just in the last 2.5 weeks, it's gone from 142 to 1288, and up another 244, or almost 30% today. Strong momentum, but be careful with this one. DOCU. After the big engulfing reversal day a couple days ago, you'll see how the stock targets at 50. Here's what it looks. Momentum took this from 10 to 18, then pulled it back to 14 and 3/4 up. 20. I'm going to say 22.5 3/4 would be your next target. That would be the measure move. GOTU popped out of a base yesterday and had a nice follow through day today with a strong finish too. So net up 52 cents, 18%, 18.5 million shares. Next target is 3 3/4, 4, and then maybe we'll get to 4.5. ICVX with a big explosive move out of a flag today with a breakaway gap on top of it. 10.4 million traded, closing near the upper end of the range of 520, 49.5%, and that is now near a spike high from December of last year. We get to that level, we might see something in the 24 area. 20 24 swing targets. INVT popped out of a flag today, jumped 344, almost 9%. The volume was 3.1 million. And 55. INVZ popped out yesterday and followed through today. It's right at that gap area and into it. A gap fill would have to get you to 315. The next target. And beyond that, maybe 4 1/4. KOLD has been a monster, literally going from in 1 month, a little bit 5 weeks, from 44 to 116, nearly tripled. It's already bought, it's extended, and it's at resistance. But the next target might be somewhere around 155. PANL broke through a triple top and out of a long coil, and now I'm looking for a target near 9. PERI did an acquisition, looked like it was a accretive one. The stock broke out of a V-bottom platform and closed off the upper end of the range near 30. High for the day, 29.99, closed there, 268, 10%, 920,000 traded total. My next target is 32.5, and then for more than a year, this 41, finished just 3 cents off the high up 432. Looks to me like this could extend into the mid 40 chart of the day a couple of days ago when he gapped up and pulled back. It's been moving. My target now near 30. The breakout of the coil went vertical, literally from 2090 to 32, 12 points in 3 days. Extended, you betcha. Is it at resistance? Yeah, right there. So maybe we pull back, but your next target probably up around 30, call it 38. SCO in the oil sector, obviously with oil coming down, SCO is popping it. This is a clean breakout, retest and pop. I'm now looking for an extension. I think gets me to 24 and then 26. And that's it for tonight at detectradio.com. Some of the hot stocks that we're looking at. Good night, everybody.